Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing? Are you fine? Very good. Okay, on Thursday, open your book B1, page number 10 and 11. On Thursday, you will do page number 10 and 11. Open your book, page number 10. First, look at your topic, blowing bubbles. Repeat after me, blowing bubbles. Okay, circle the boy who is blowing more bubbles. Okay, now look at the picture. There are two boys and they are blowing bubbles. Okay, now you have to tell me which boy is blowing more bubbles. Okay, which boy is blowing more bubbles? Let's count how many bubbles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. First boy is blowing 11 bubble. Now look at the second boy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now tell me which boy is blowing more bubble, 11 one or 12 one? 12 one. Now you have to circle the second boy. Circle it. You have to circle it. Very good. Well, look at page number 11. Page number 11. Look at the topic. First you have to write number 1. And what comes after 1? 2. Okay. Jars and lids. Jars and lids. Match the lids to the correct jar. Okay, we have some jars and some lids. You have to match it. Okay, you have to match it correct jars or same or correct jar. Okay, look at the first lid. Okay, now tell me which one is big jar. This one. And brown color same, so you have to match it. Okay, now look at the second lid. Small one. Where is the small one jar? Yellow jar. This one, so you have to match it. Okay, now look at third one. Which color is it? Red. And where is red jar? So you have to red jar. So you have to very good. You have to match it. Okay, circle the correct answer. There are more lids jar. There are more or lids or jar. Now you have to tell me which one are more, lids or jar. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 lids. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 jars. Now you have to tell me which one is more, 3 or 4 one. So you have to tick here. There are more jars. Okay, not lids. Okay, Allah Hafiz.